if you've been trying to delete the Riot client and you just can't do it because the Windows doesn't allow you to, so you'll notice when you try to right-click and uninstall, it doesn't actually uninstall it, so we're going to show you how to go ahead and delete all of that today. To start, you're going to want to go into your task manager to go ahead and close down anything related to Riot and or Xbox, because sometimes when you try to manually close out the Riot client, it'll tell you the app can't be closed because something related with Xbox is still open. And that's usually if you're using Game Pass or something else related to it with your League of Legends or other games. So you're just going to go ahead and close anything related to both of those services. Right. To start with uninstalling everything regarding the Riot client, first thing we're going to want to do is open your File Explorer, go to your local disk, Program Files, and look for the Riot Vanguard folder. When you try to delete it, you'll notice it'll say you can't be deleted because it's still open somewhere. So what we're going to need to do is go ahead and open up the command prompt, make sure to right-click it and open as administrator so you can do what we're going to need to do. Once you are in there, go ahead and type in sc delete vgk, hit enter, then do it again for sc delete vgc. After you've done that, you're just going to want to go ahead and restart your computer real quick to make sure those changes have gone through. And after your computer has finished restarting, you should be free to go back to your C file or C drive, go into Program Files, and delete the Riot Vanguard folder. Afterwards, you're just going to want to go back out to your C drive or wherever your Riot Games folder is, and delete that entire folder as well. Once you do that, you're just going to go ahead and go to any games you have installed through Riot, right-click on them, open file location, and delete the shortcuts you might have, or the start menu shortcuts, so that way they no longer show up when you try to search their names. Lastly, all you're going to need to do is go into your users folder in your C drive, go to yourself, go to view and make sure you do have hidden items viewable. Make sure the checkbox is checked. Once you do, you'll just go ahead and go into the app data folder, go into local, and delete any Riot related folders you might have in there. In our case, we did have a Valorant folder, so we're going to go ahead and delete that. Alright, and that is how you uninstall the Riot client and all of its related files. I don't believe there should be anything else you necessarily need to uninstall in this case, but if you want more tutorials on how to do things like this, make sure to subscribe.